Hello and welcome to our next lecture and video from this course on how to create graphic designs using Crello, a free online cloud-based application. Now, as you already know, we are inside the dashboard after we have signed in the application, and what I want to show you and what we want to show you in this video and lecture is how you can customize and edit in more depth your templates and your projects. So for the sake of this example, we will choose a Facebook post type of template. We will choose one of the templates that we have, for example this one, and what we want to show you in this actual video is how you can insert different elements and how you can edit in more depth your template so that it gets the best fit for your needs. Okay, so you already know how to select the elements from our previous lectures. It's very easy to edit the elements. You have seen how to edit text. You just select the text. You can choose, you will have some options for the text that will open in the left side in the text box. Okay, you can choose the font. You can choose if you want the text to be bold, italic, so different effects for the text. Okay, you can change the size and everything like that, and you can change the font color. Maybe you want yellow, okay, in this case. And also you'll have some other options in the menu like the transparency. You can see that it gets changed. The layering, the duplication, or just remove the element at all. Okay, so this is how you edit the text. Now let's choose a different element. This is a standard element. You cannot edit a lot of things for it. You can change the color. It's an object. Okay, the transparency, the layering, you can rotate the element, flip horizontally, flip vertically, duplicate it and delete it. So this is what you can do with this type of element, like with stickers, shapes, because this is an object, and other things like that. Okay, the background itself, it's a colored background, so you can only change the color if you want to. Let's say that we want this gray color, and that's about it. Okay, so this is how you edit the text, different shapes, and the background. Okay, now if you look in the left side menu, you will see that we have the option to add photos. We can choose 3 photos, and when we want to add the photo, we just select the photo and it will be edited. It will be added to the editor. Okay, and we can do with the photo whatever we want. You will see that when a photo is selected, we will have the photo options. The photo box options will appear with the different types of effects. You can choose different types of effects from here. We have also more advanced effects. You can play around with the brightness, with the contrast. For any sort of element, you'll have this type of effects. Okay, so these are the special effects that we have for photos. Vignette effect if you want to, and other things like that. Now, other things that you can do with the photos and the other elements, you can rotate them, you can resize them, okay, and you can delete them, what we will actually do. Then we have the option, if we go back in the left side menu, to play around with our background. We can either choose photos, patterns, colors, or our own uploads. Okay, and I will show you in a different lecture how you can manage your own uploads so you have them very well organized. So this is what we can do with our backgrounds. We can add different text. You have seen already how to use the add photo text function in a different lecture, but we can add normal text. And we also have some very cool templates if you look in the left side menu here, like this one. Okay, and we have this type of cool templates that we can add with text as well. Let's delete these ones, and these are editable as well. For example, let's insert 30 off, and this is an editable element, and you can see that basically this is a group. This is a single object as a group, and you have the option here to ungroup it. Okay, and when you ungroup it, you can see that you have different elements that you can edit one by one. So this is basically this is the secret of this text that you will see here in the left side of these text templates, because they have different types of elements inside that text template, like normal objects, text, illustrations, and so on. Now let's delete this one. Okay, so this is how you use the text functions. And we also have objects, and in the case of objects, we have subcategories. Okay, we have these types of objects. We have icons, Also, you can filter them by category. We have illustrations, some of them paid, some of them free. We have lines, we have borders, we have stickers, and basically in the stickers category we also have sets of stickers. You can see that we have this small thumbnail here that shows us how many stickers are in this subcategory. For example, this one. Let's choose one so you can see it. It's pretty fun, right? Let's delete it. And we also have frames. We have different frames or masks. So this is how the object section works. Now another thing, and this is the last option that we have in the menu, is the My Files section. If we go to My Files, you can see here that you have different options. Right now you can see the files that I've personally uploaded and that we have uploaded. You can see all of them here. And you will see that you have other options as well here, like fonts. You can upload your own fonts, but we will discuss about that in a different lecture. Purchased elements from Crello, because you have seen that you can purchase elements, and favorites if you have selected any favorites elements. Now let's go back to uploads, and basically here in the upload section you will see that you also have folders, so you can organize all of your uploads in different folders if you want. Okay, you can upload images here, different elements and so on that you can use in your designs. Now basically this is how you customize and edit your templates and your projects and your graphic designs in Crello. It's not a big deal. As you can see, it's actually very easy and intuitive, and I hope that you have understood in main lines how you can do it. Now thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video. And